This Mitchell Realty property video is presented by Emmy Mitchell. Are you looking for a fixer-upper so that you can make your home just the way you want it? Here's your opportunity. This 3-bedroom home has so much potential. You'll like the 2 living areas, no maintenance siding, newer central heat and air, hardwood floors, and a big detached garage/shop in the back that also has a storm shelter. More pictures and info to come. To be sold as is. Cash or conventional financing only. For more information, review the details below or contact Emmy Mitchell at 806-576-4005.